If I could go back to the day we met, I would probably do it all over again. And I would choose not to be your friend. When you ask me, I'll just say I got a man. It wouldn't be no end, it would be no staying late at my house.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. It's going to be a very smoky, seductive kind of vibe, you know, girl, because it's Valentine's Day. So I've kind of done my hair already. It's a messy, loose, curly plait to the side. I saw it on Maya Jama for the BAFTAS. And I really liked it, so I thought I'd recreate it. But let's get on with the tutorial. So I've just clipped my hair back. I'm going to first start off with my eyebrow.
I would probably do it all over again. And I would choose not to be your friend. When you ask me, I'll just say I got a man. It wouldn't be no end, it would be no staying late at my house. It would be no watching movies on my couch. Shit went left and now I'm just trying to figure out that you'd always be my baby.
That's my motherfucking baby. She hold me down but she crazy. And I've been sinning, won't you save me? Go pick your poison, let's get wavy. Yeah, girl, sit down, let's take it way back. Let's take it slow, can you tell me why you do that? Why you act like you've never been through that? Why you start like I've never had your back, girl, your back, girl?
If I could go back to the day we...
No, there's no way we're going back. Cause I done fucked up, I wish I could take it back. So baby, please don't you hide from me.
If I could go back to the day we met, I would probably do it all over again. And I would choose not to be your friend.
You say you got a
It wouldn't be no
man.
day, it would be no staying late at my house. It would be no watching movies on my couch. Shit went left and now I'm just trying to figure out. You'd always be my baby.
That's my motherfucking pride that you're teasing is starting, inspiring me. And I can't fight the feeling, I'm trying to stay with it, yeah. I just wanna bust it down, two-tone AP, 2 diamonds in a ring. Can we just pretend to be the king, the queen, the prince, the princess, that you can, the duchess and all? Can we?
If I could go back to the day we met, I would probably do it all over again. And I would choose not to be your friend. When you ask me, I'll just say I got a man. It wouldn't be no end, it would be no staying late at my house. It would be no watching movies on my couch. Shit went left and now I'm just trying to figure out that you'd always be my baby.
That's my motherfucking baby. She hold me down but she crazy. And I've been sinning, won't you save me? Go pick your poison, let's get wavy. Yeah, girl, sit down, let's take it way back. Let's take it slow, can you tell me why you do that? Why you act like you've never been through that? Why you start like I've never had your back, girl, your back, girl?
If I could go back to the day we...
No, there's no way we're going back. Cause I done fucked up, I wish I could take it back. So baby, please don't you hide from me.
If I could go back to the day we met, I would probably do it all over again. And I would choose not to be your friend.
And you say you got a
It wouldn't be no
man.
day, it would be no staying late at my house. It would be no watching movies on my couch. Shit went left and now I'm just trying to figure out. You'd always be my baby.
That's my motherfucking pride that you're teasing is starting, inspiring me. And I can't fight the feeling, I'm trying to stay with it, yeah. I just wanna bust it down, two-tone AP, 2 diamonds in a ring. Can we just pretend to be the king, the queen, the prince, the princess, that you can, the duchess and all? Can we?
If I could go back to the day we met, I would probably do it all over again. And I would choose not to be your friend.
Not to be your friend.
It wouldn't be no day, it would be no staying late at my house. It would be no watching movies on my couch. Shit went left and now I'm just trying to figure out that you'd always be my baby.
This is the finished look. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Whatever you guys do this Valentine's Day, I hope you enjoy yourselves, whether it's with your loved one or whether it's just, you know, you go single girls doing your thing, because that's what I'm a dude. I'm just gonna sit in bed and basically watch a lovely romantic film by myself. So yeah. If any of you else are single and you know you're on your ones this year, don't worry girl, I got you. I got you. But yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing time whatever you do, but stay tuned for more. Thank you guys so much again for all the love and support and the comments and the likes and the love and but yeah, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe, and I look forward to making more videos for you guys. I will bid you farewell now because I can keep talking for the world. So yeah, thank you guys. Mwah. Bye.